Today's lesson is finding the distance between 2 points on a number line. So imagine I had a number line and I wanted to find the distance between 9 and positive 2. So let's take a look at what 9 would look like on a number line. 9 is right over here and 2 is right over here. And anyone can see that if you counted the distance between 2 and 9 by simply sequentially going from positive 2 to positive 9, you'd get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But let's see how we can do this mathematically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the distance between these two numbers, which means I'm actually finding the difference between these two numbers. So I'm going to take the difference between 9 and 2 simply by subtracting 2 from 9, and obviously you get the number 7. But I should be able to find the difference between these two numbers in any order I wish. In other words, I should be able to do 2 minus 9. That should also give me 7, but it doesn't. It gives me negative 7. So one of the things I need to do whenever I'm finding the distance between two numbers is to take the absolute value. Now, if you recall, the absolute value of a number is its distance from 0. So what I need to do is to take the absolute value of the difference between these two numbers, because that will always result in a positive number. We know that distance cannot be negative, it can only be positive. So what I need to do is take the absolute value of 2 minus 9, which is equal to the absolute value of negative 7, which is equal to 7. Let's take another example. Suppose I want to find the distance between negative 9 and positive 2. So let's use another color here. So negative 9 is right over there, and positive 2 is right over here. Now again, you can simply verify that the distance between these two numbers is 11 simply by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But I want to do this mathematically. So again, I'm going to take the absolute value of 2 minus a minus 9. Remember, when I'm looking to find the distance between two numbers, I'm actually taking their difference, but I need to take the absolute value of their difference. And this is equal to the absolute value of 2 plus 9. If you recall, when you were subtracting a negative number, it becomes positive, which is equal to the absolute value of 11, which is equal to 11. Alternatively, what I should be able to do is I should be able to take the absolute value of minus 9 minus 2, which is equal to the absolute value of minus 11, which is also equal to 11. Now, very often we're given a question asking us to find the distance between two numbers that cannot be graphed on a number line, or for which it would be impractical to graph it on a number line. For example, if I'm asked to find the distance between negative 12 and positive 19. But I'm going to use exactly the same method as I did before. I'm going to take the absolute value of 19 minus a minus 12. That becomes the absolute value of 19 plus 12, which is equal to the absolute value of 31, which is equal to 31. Alternatively, I can take the absolute value of minus 12 minus 19, which is equal to the absolute value of a negative 31, which is equal to 31. And that concludes the lesson on finding the distance between two numbers.